Welcome to our channel, where we talk about the latest medical procedures. In today's video, we'll be talking about a popular cosmetic procedure that has helped millions of people achieve a more youthful appearance: Botox. Botox, also known as botulinum toxin, is a safe and effective treatment for reducing the appearance of wrinkles and fine lines. It works by temporarily relaxing the muscles that cause those unwanted signs of aging. It smoothens out the skin, giving you a more refreshed and youthful look. Before getting Botox, it's important to consult with a licensed medical professional. They will assess your unique facial anatomy and discuss your desired outcomes, ensuring a personalized treatment plan tailored to your needs. Listen to what our customers said about this procedure.
I recently had my first Botox treatment, and I can confidently say it has been a game changer for me. As someone in my late 30s, I started noticing the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles that made me feel self-conscious. After doing my research, I decided to take the leap. Botox has become my secret weapon against wrinkles, and I can confidently say it's worth every penny. If you're on the fence, give it a try, you won't regret it.
That's it for today's video on Botox. We hope you found it informative and insightful. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to contact New You Med Spa Orlando today to schedule a consultation with us.